So this is the first time that we have this printer here. It's the Prestige L2. It's a 16-inch DTF printer. Now you might think, why do we need a market for a 16-inch printer? Well, if you're starting out with the A3 Plus R, which is an awesome machine, and you want something faster, but you're not ready for that 24-inch guy, an issue that we've been running into with our XL2 is that it's a little large for a standard doorway, and so for more commercial shops, that's awesome. But if you're a mom and pop shop, if you're a growing business, the L2 guys is perfect for any home business, any production business. It's a 16-inch DTF printer. It does up to 50 to 70 square feet an hour, depending on your print mode, paired with a shaker powder system. Again, I can't stress it enough, that fits through a standard door. It sounds silly, but not all of them at this show do, and that's a big headache. And so prints, powders, cooks, you can make your own transfers, become your own transfer business. That whole roll, take-up reel is completed transfers. It's the first time it's being shown at the trade show. Right now, we are taking pre-orders. They're selling like hotcakes. You're not missing out on any features that our larger guy has. One of the main things that I love about this machine is the sensor detector for the media. So no head strikes. That's a big one with these DTF printers that I've seen out there. You'll know when there's a head strike, it'll hit the film. Sensor on that guy. There's also border-to-border printing, and so if you have a 16-inch roll, you're going to be able to print that full 16 inches. A lot of printers have margin issues where you can only get about 14 and a half. Our guy here, border-to-border, also has our white ink agitator on the back here and a circulator as well, so you don't have to shake that white ink every single day. Your maintenance is super easy. I'll show you guys here. When we open the printer, we actually have a mirror here, which is kind of my favorite feature. When you need to clean around the print head for maintenance, it slides over. It actually has a mirror to show you where you're actually cleaning. No longer are you gonna guess where the head's dirty. We have a vacuum here, so the film stays nice and flat. A lot of times, especially on these other bigger machines, the film raises, you get a head strike. So, has a vacuum, it prints super fast, CMYK dual i3200 heads, comes with installation. Our guys that go to your location will set this up for you, teach you how to use the software. That's the best part about this, guys. All you have to focus on is the printing. This is our 16-inch shaker powder system. If you haven't seen this, it's a fully automated system where you hook it up to your take-up reel, send a bunch of jobs, and let it go. The best part about ours, though, is that there's a lot of settings that you can actually adjust, such as belt speed, how hard it's shaking the powder off the film. There's a cooling and suction. These are huge features in shaker powders that you do need to make it fully automated. So there's a sensor inside the machine as the film goes through that says, hey, when I'm hitting this film, continue going, and also in our take-up reel here. So it works together with the printer. So as it prints, it actually pulls the film at the correct time, making sure that our transfers are cooked properly every single time. This product is perfect, guys, if you have a DTG printer, you're looking to make the jump into direct-to-film printing, you weren't sure which printer is actually the right fit for you, the L2 is the perfect size to match with any of your DTG printers. The high speed, maintenance, carefree, support, install. The DTG printer is a match made in heaven with this L2. And if you need something bigger, we have that too. We have our XL2, but again, this is the perfect way to get into full-scale direct-to-film printing.